Hello, I'm attorney Thomas Burton, and today's question is the following. How much does it cost to set up an LLC in Wisconsin? So the short answer is there's a filing fee due to the Wisconsin Department of Financial Institutions, and it's $130 to file online or $170 to file by paper form. I recommend filing online whenever possible because it's faster, easier, and cheaper. So it's great they give you a little discount if you use the online form. You don't have to mail anything in, and it's a little bit cheaper. The filing fee in Wisconsin, in my opinion, is quite reasonable. I know some other states, such as California, where the filing fee for an LLC, I believe, is several $100s, and then the annual fee to maintain the LLC can also be significant. In Wisconsin, the annual fee, you must file an annual report once a year to keep your LLC active, and it's a very reasonable $25 per year. So the benefits of having an LLC and the limited liability protection quickly add up against the minimal fees of filing and the annual fee with the LLC. Now, the other thing to think about is your annual tax compliance costs. For a single member LLC, if you choose disregarded entity status, which is the default flow-through taxation, you can often file the taxes on as a schedule to your individual tax return, and then there will be no increased or very little increased tax filing costs. If you're a multi-member LLC, you'll need to file Form 1065, meaning more than one person, multi-member, and that can have a cost because generally you'll want to pay a CPA or professional to prepare this for you, unless you have that specific knowledge on how to do it yourself. But in terms of the filing fee itself, $130 online, $170 by paper, and a $25 annual renewal fee. Now, that's the fee to the state of Wisconsin. If you hire an attorney like me to help you set up everything, there will be hourly or flat fees paid to the attorney. Or if you do it yourself, then it's your time and labor involved, and then the filing fee that we discussed here, you pay directly to the state of Wisconsin. The great thing about the filing fee is it's one time at the beginning, and the annual fee is actually much less. So like I say, California is the one I've heard is several $100s to set up, and then several hundred, I think, annually. There may be a few other states like that where the annual fee adds up, and that's where I would think about when you want to start the business before you start incurring those costs, of course. In Wisconsin, I would still think about it, but the annual cost is much more minimal. So even if you have an LLC set up for a few months before you start operating the business or something like that, your carrying costs, monthly carrying costs, are quite low. In terms of actually filing the LLC, what you need to do is file articles of organization with the state of Wisconsin. That's the legal document that gets the LLC started, and your legal existence, legal ability to begin doing business in the state of Wisconsin begins after that document is filed by the Wisconsin Department of Financial Institutions. So great question, and thank you for asking.